I just got to work this morning and I was thinking about dinner last night. I met up with a few of my specialist colleagues and it was really interesting discussing our different career paths. I went into ophthalmology because I really enjoyed the mixture of being able to do clinics as well as surgery. I really enjoy that in ophthalmology, perfectionism is key and we can do fine surgery and make it perfect, and that's the reason why I enjoy the surgery in ophthalmology. It was interesting speaking to a palliative care specialist who was telling me that his day-to-day job was to look after the dying patients and to provide them with pain relief. For me, that's one of the hardest careers and specialties to go into because your patients are at the end of their life, and I told him I had a lot of respect for him, and it's not a career path that I could have done, but I'm so blessed that I'm being able to do the work that I do and being able to help people's vision. And he also said he really enjoyed the work that he did and being able to make them comfortable at the end of their lives. Heading into clinic. So it is quite common after refractive laser eye surgery to get dry eye. I've had laser eye surgery myself. I don't feel that my dry eye is any worse than before I had surgery because I had SMILE, which is a very small incision, minimally invasive laser eye surgery. But when my eyes do get dry, I notice that the vision is a bit more blurry and that I often need to blink a bit to see a bit clearer, and in those instances I just use some regular preservative-free lubricants and they instantly make my eyes better. Another tip that I have for people who wake up in the middle of the night with really painful eyes and like a ripping sensation is you can use Polyvisc, Celluvisc or viscous lubricant at night time before you go to sleep. Like at the same time you moisturize your face, you can put some moisturizing eye drops into your eyes, and that will prevent that ripping sensation when you wake up in the morning or in the middle of the night. And that also helps to lubricate your eyes overnight during a period where you're sleeping. Just heading to my second location today, Eagle Eye Surgeons in Mossman. I ended up getting the grilled salmon box. I'm just heading into Eagle Eye Surgeons to do some laser eye surgery and see some laser eye patients. So I'm at Eagle Eye Surgeons Laser Vision Correction. Not only do we have the latest lasers here, but we also have IPL laser, which helps treat dry, itchy, burny eyes and blepharitis. So blepharitis is a condition that we all have to varying degrees and often gets worse as you get older. It's the meibomian glands. They get blocked and that causes dry, itchy, burny sensations in the eyes, and the eyes can often get quite red and uncomfortable. To treat blepharitis involves conservative measures, which I've talked about, which include regular warm compresses, eyelid scrubs with baby wipes and baby shampoo, as well as short courses of antibiotics like doxycycline and azithromycin. If they fail, I often now recommend patients come for IPL laser. The laser is gently applied. It unclogs the oil glands and keeps the blepharitis under control so that the symptoms are much better without needing to resort to steroid eye drops or other more invasive treatments. So IPL stands for intense pulse light therapy, and the laser is applied around the eyes and on the eyelids to basically treat the meibomian gland dysfunction. So meibomian gland, these glands supply the oil layer of your tear film, and if the oil layer is not present or blocked, then the aqueous layer, so the water layer below it, basically evaporates quite quickly and you get dry eye. So the IPL laser is a great way to restore the natural normal function of the meibomian glands and unblock them. Similarly to doing hot compresses, eyelid scrubs and massage, the duration is longer and it's more permanent and effective. And more important, I've discovered where the chocolate drawer is. So as you can see, there are this many options today. So I am going to decide on what to eat on my drive home. So I really like Mars, it's my favorite, Kit Kat, and I think Twirl. Yeah, so those are going to be 3 options. Chocolate makes Sydney traffic so much better.